Hello, and welcome back to Healthy with Heartland. I'm your host, Chef Arden. So we're coming towards the end of season 2, transitioning from the summer of grilling to the nice, beautiful fall flavors. What we're going to be doing today as part of Sous Vide September and for the taste of fall, we're going to be working once again with my favorite product, the Cheshire pork. This is a pork loin roast cut. What we're going to be doing is actually doing a roulade technique. So we're going to be cutting it, stuffing it, rolling it back up, and then because it's Sous Vide September, we're going to be showing you how to use that brand new sous vide. To get started, get your pork out of the pack. You want to make sure your knife is incredibly sharp because this cut is always very important. All of our packaging is sous vide ready. However, if you want to add anything to it, here's a couple options you can do. If you have a resealing vacuum machine in the bags, go ahead and use that. If not, like most of us have at home, we just have these simple little Ziploc baggies. You want to go ahead and get your pork in. Our sous vide machine is very similar to like a poaching technique. This little puppy right here is actually going to keep the water moving and regulate it at a single temperature. So since we're going with pork, we need to get that up to 155. We're going to go with 145. So how to get that vacuum seal effect without having a vacuum sealer at home? You want to just slowly put your bag in. And what that's going to do is actually push all that air out. And once you get it nice and tight, push all the air out with your hands if you can. It's been roughly about 2 hours. We've got it to just about 135, 140 degrees. We will be finishing this on a saute pan with a simple searing technique. So we can take this out of the packet. If we were to cut into this now, everything would just bleed out of it. So we've now let this rest for about 10 minutes or so. Now remember, before you cut into this thing, we did tie it. We do need to cut that first. This is our pork loin roulade. Very nice and festive fall flavor dish. Perfect for any kind of a cold night.